Hello. Ng pag-ibig ko ang pinagsasaluhan. Pinagsasaluhan ang Pasko. May Christmas na. Christmas is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Where is the Santa? I want to meet the Santa. We're good. We're good tayo. Hi, Marcus. Thank you, Marcus. What's up? Thank you for joining. Pagmamahal sa sabuhan. What's up? Thank you, 5 people. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the thumbs up. Getting ready to take a nap before work. Are you getting ready? Thank you for 11 people here. Thanks a lot. How are you? I'm fine. Tired today. Tiring. It's tired. But you're going to work here, resting. Thank you, 20 people. Thank you so much. Hi. Nagsasaluhan ng Pasko. Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Any plans today? Night here. Night here. Maybe you have planned doing today because morning there. Yes, morning. So here, no plans. And the plans is resting, going to sleep soon. That's right. You're 13 hours. Yeah, 13 hours ahead. So, tahimik. Tahimik kayo. Almost 10 a.m. here. Almost 10 a.m. here. Almost 10:46 here. Almost 10. Almost 11. Have work at 1:30. Okay. Thank you for joining. I'm Marcos Rob. Thank you so much. What is your word? Thank you, 15 people. Thanks a lot. Pinagsasaluhan ko ang Pasko. Habang at 1:30 is. Tahimik, you can, 15, the 15 people, walang masabi, anything, wag lang bad. Malamig na, no? Malamig. Cold weather. Getting ready to nap. Have a good night. Thank you, Marcus. There she is. Marcus was. Guapa Cheryl. Hi, Big Lon. My God. Big Lon, welcome back. How are ya? Merry Christmas in advance. Every day is love. Every day is forgiveness. Every day is sharing. What is the is part of Christmas? What? Oh my god, I'm tired. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you, Beglan. Tuwang Pasko. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Pinagsasaluhan. Kasama ka. Oh my God. I'm tired. Oh my God, ambulance. Have an ambulance. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Read the likes. 3 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Who gives the like? Mm. Thank you, Marcus. Thank you, Biglan. I never believe it's easy to say but love. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I never believe it's easy to say but love. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I never believe in love. It's easy to say. Oh my god. Como sabe, estamos aqui. Cause maybe my love will come back. Thank you for 3 people. Hi. Hello. Good evening, sister. Um, Tarin Bats there. Hi, Tarin Bats there. Hello. Tarin Bats there. Hello. I miss you. Why you miss me? Where you from? Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the watching. I am from Nagaland. Where in Nagaland? We're nagaling India, Africa, America, Europe, where? Asia, Nagaland, India, okay. Nice to meet you, Karen. That's there. How old are you? Thank you for the likes, everyone here. Thank you so much. And thank you for watching 20 people. Thanks a lot. I am 36 years old. Okay, that's great age. Me, I'm 40 years old. So you can call me sister. Sister Share. In the house, easy to say. Hi, Ozzy Bald Boy. Hi, Chona Panganiban. Hello. Hi, Chona Panganiban. You 18 years old. No, I'm not 18. I'm 40. 40. Oh my god. You look like a Filipina. Yes, I'm a Filipina. Bieber jaw. Shirley. I'm Cheryl. Adriano. Adriana, I'm Cheryl, not Shirley. Thank you for the likes. Oh my god. Hello, how are you, Cheryl? Cheryl. I'm fine. And you, how are you? You beautiful girl. Thank you, Taran Batsu there. Thanks a lot. You from Philippines? Yeah. I'm from Philippines. Filipina, alright. I'm Filipina. You are my oh my god, why? I thought your sister. Call me sister, child ambassador. Wow, I'm from Indonesia. Okay, nice to meet you. I'm Giano from Indonesia. Adriana from Indonesia, thank you so much. Nasaan ka ngayon sa Pilipinas? Bicol po. Nasa Bicol po ako sa Pilipinas. Hi Hegs, hope you're having a wonderful evening show. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. Please like and subscribe. Thank you Hegs. Yes or no? What yes or no? What the yes or no? No. Of course no. You're very beautiful like a Sherry. Cheryl. Thank you, Andrian. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you for joining a lot. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, guys. You are my girlfriend. No. Oh my god, it's a no. I'm not like that. I think I'm not I'm not interested to anyone. I have to go now. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Merry Christmas to you also, Bidi Borja. Thank you. Bidi Borja. Thank you for joining here. Merry Christmas. Oh, okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sorry, I'm not the type of like that. Sorry, that's there. You will find another one, okay? But not me. That's not me. God bless. Thank you for the likes. Flying high on the wings of love. 'Cause you belong to me, and your exclusivity. Right now, believe in bringing each other. Inseparable, it seems. Wobiko Victoria. Wobiko Victoria, what it means? Wobiko. Si Wobiko. Wobiko, Wobimobi, Vodka. see purple and seems like, oh my God, ganun. Nagulat ako. Thank you for 22 people. Thanks a lot. Hope you hit the likes. Thank you. Sometimes a little fun. Rafael Miranda. Hi, Rafael. Malinis. Hindi. Bakit? Salamat sa 22. Taga saan kayo? We're from 22 people here. Tag to me. Tell me your name. Nestor Omar Rodriguez. Hola mi amorcito, ¿cómo estás? Oh my God. Hola, hola. What it means? Hola, hola sa pala. What it means, the hola me. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you so much. 11 people. Thanks a lot. Thank you for 8 people here. Thank you so much. Goodness lang magpakilala. Bagay ka naman to. Kapagod. Hirap labanan. Tungod ko ay thank you 9 people watching for the likes na pala. Thank you 9 people likes. Give me the like. Aray ko. Aray ko man. Aray ko. Aray mo, aray ko. Ingay. Magpakilala. Sundan. need to eat the ano. I need to eat this. That's it. Oh, lamig. I need a hug. No. Sleepy Blue Bonnet Flowers. Hi. Eugene Chan. Pahingi naman. Ah. See, ah. See, cheese. I know. It's a cheese, not cheese. It's like barbecue flavored corn snack. Us, what kind of food? Tortillas. Tortillas. Crackers. Hi, Wubiko Victoria. Hello. Me? Okay. Yeah. What? Wala na gusto, mabili na lang kita, ha? Naku, Wubiko Victoria. Hindi ka dito pwede. Alam mo yung mga ganyang galawan, binaban ko yan dito eh. Kung ikaw, inabot ka ng kainitan ng katawan mo, wag dito. Sa itsura kong to, pag gaganyanin mo ako. Gaganyanin mo ako. Oh God. Pipili ka ng ano. Wala kang ka-taste-taste. Leche ka. Basura yung attitude mo. Alam mo ba yun? Pinalaki ka bang ganyan? Bastos. Walang modo. Walang respeto. Ano ka ba ng nanay mo? Ampun ka ba? Hindi ka mahal ng nanay mo, no? Kasi kung mahal ka, hindi ka palalakihin ng ganyan ka, ano, bastos. Or kulang lang yung mentality mo. Kulang sa pag-iisip. Kulang-kulang ba? Kasi kung matinoy ka, kung matinong na, no, hindi yung ganyan. May respeto sila sa babae at may respeto din sila sa sarili nila. Ikaw, uhaw. Ano, walang ano, kahit saan pwede. Hindi mo makilala yung tao eh. Ganyan ka. Huwag ka lang. How young are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. It's okay, good. So young, it's okay, good. Why? How old are you? Sleepy Bob, Bonnet, Florence. How old are you? Wear black. Wear black. Good evening, madam. Madaan. Shout out po kay Chino Paco. We were watching here from Kyoto, Japan. Thank you. Parang ikaw yung nag-ano kagabi. Si Chino saka si Chino saka si Chino. Si Chino saka si Chino. Ako din po ba yun? Hindi ko maalala, pero yung pa-shout out, same name. Kambal sila, di ba? Taga Kyoto, Japan. Yung kambal na ka-work. Opo, yung kambal. So nice host and thanks for your appreciating. Always welcome. Thank you for your kindness here, Sleepy Bonnet Flowers. Opo, naghahanap po ng jowang Pinay. Talaga? Nakahanap na ba? Nakahanap na po ba sila? Sana makahanap sila. Mahirap maghanap ngayon. Oh, cheater. Alam mo yung relationship is, lots of cheater, liars. Oh my God. More on promises, pero, ah, di pa po, 42 na po kasi sila. Ano pa din eh. Bata pa din. Pero pag ang babae, nagkaedad ng wala na. Expired na. Sa lalaki, wala. Talaga. Pwede pa sa lalaki. Pero sa babae, wala na. Mahirap na. Hindi naman sa wala na. Kaso mahirap na. Mahirap na. Kagaya ko, 40 na. Malabo na. Asawa na po ata hanap eh. Ganon din po dito sa Japan. Host, are you single or taken? I'm not available. Kaya po, kaya po, Bibay, hanap kasi wife ko po, kapatid nila. Kaya po, Bibay, hanap kasi wife ko po, kapatid nila. Ah, okay. Ah, yung wife mo, kapatid nila. Okay, then. Ang wife mo is Japanese. Sige po ma'am, pa-shoutout na lang po ulit sa kanila para di na ma-depress. Sige. Hi! Shoutout kay Chino. Chino sa Kambao from Kyoto, Japan. Thank you so much. Hope you watching po. Chino from Kyoto, Japan. Shoutout from Nowhere Black. Thank you for joining. Paano man shoutout? Nanonood ba sila? Mapanood ba nila ako? Kung share mo, manood sila. Sa kabilang room po sila. Ah, okay. Shino Paco at Shino po. Shout out to Shino Paco at Shino. Ang hirap eh. Chino and Shino Paco from Kyoto, Japan. Shout out from Nowhere Black. Ang daming Pilipina na nagla-live. So, parang thank you, ma'am. Welcome. Thank you. Thank you, too. Sana makahanap na sila. Nag-a-ask po sila ng WhatsApp. Oh, wala akong WhatsApp. I have no WhatsApp. My phone is full storage. I have no. Sabi ko, di na po kayo available. Ano ba yan? Parang nahiya ako dun. Parang nahiya ako. Parang naano ko. Salamat po. Sana makahanap na yung friend mo ng Jojoy. Dito po kasi desperado na sila. Ang daming magagandang Pilipina. Kaso nga lang, mahirap alam mo yun, madami nga. Hirap kasi magtiwala ngayon. Totoo lang. Madali lang sana. Kasi yung tiwala, mahirap. Sila po kasi panganay bunso po, asawa ko. Ah, okay. Kasama po sila sa akin sa December 25 pa uwi. Ah, okay. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Na-scam na po sila ng 1.8 million. Ah, talaga? 1.8 million. Daming scammer ngayon. Dami. Dami po talaga. Opo, dating app po. Dating app po? Ano po? Bali, wala naman po sa kanila. Siguro mayaman yung dating date. Dating app. Dating app naman po sa kanila. Okay. Malaki po castle formula. Swerte yung swerte yung majojowa ng kambal na kaibigan mo. Swerte sila. Sana mahanap nila yung yung para talaga sa kanila, yung totoo. Hanap nila yan. Bayaw po. Bayaw mo sila. Yung bayaw mo sila. Sana makahanap ka na ng para sa kanila sa bayaw mo. Kasi opo, at masakit na ulo ka kulit. Wala din ako marito. Kasi mga bata pa may jowa na. Yung halos lahat may na. Yung iba nga dala-dalawa. Aray ko. Bata pa yon. May asawa. Yung iba naman is, single naman sana. Kaso, hirap magtiwala. Yung iba naman may asawa pero hiwalay pero daming jowa-jowa. No. Okay lang po, mabait naman sila eh. Issue malabo mata. Bakit malabo ang mata? Monetize na po ba kayo, ma'am? Kung gusto nyo po mag-gifts, pindutin nyo po. Pindutin nyo po yung singit po. Pindutin nyo po yung dollar sign sa right side, sa below right side, then send po kayo ng gifts. So, yun. Kung okay lang sa inyo, kung hindi, okay lang din. Thank you so much. 3 people here. Thanks a lot. I want you to know I'll never have you close to you. I'm never lose you. I'm you more than life. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes, for the thumbs up. May Gcash din ako. If you want. Ang kulit na. Sabihin mo sa friend mo. Pang-load. Pang-load ng Go 99. Globe. Hello, Miss Cheryl, Daniel Rodriguez. Hi, Daniel. To the light, to the moon, to the color of the moon is such. How are you? How are you doing today? I'm many things to do today. Tiring today. That's me. Tiring today. I know the feeling. Thanks. Oh my god. Thank you for the 6 people watching. Where are you from? 6 million. Where are you from? Pinay, yes, I'm Pinay. Gotta get it done. Thank you for the likes. Gilbert Castro, where are you from? Where are you from, guys? Dubai. Okay. From Dubai. From Dubai. From Dubai. Thank you so much for people. Puerto Rico. Wow. From Puerto Rico. 11 likes. Thank you, pa. Thank you to those who hit the like. The heart. darating ang mga salita na nanggagaling sa aming dalawa. My brother coughing. Dubai. Oh, sikog. Malamig. Araw-araw sipag lang. Sipag lang. Hayaan mo sila ang maghabol sa'yo, diba? Sipag lang. Hindi ka walang ang mawalan. Thank you, 12, for the likes. Thanks so much. My God. 6 people. So happy. I want you to know. Oh my God. Thank you for watching. Oh my God, few minutes more. Good. Loving you. Sing as things you do it up. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. I love you all. Bye bye.